If you notice any signs of danger in your home, like a burning smell or electrical sparks, then you must isolate or shut off the electricity supply to prevent a fire or an electric shock. You can do this from the consumer unit, which is usually located in the hallway cupboard, above the main entrance door, or in a communal electrical cupboard. The easiest way to isolate the power is by switching off the main switch. This is the red double breaker switch on one side of the consumer unit panel. By doing this, you'll turn off the power for your entire home. If you know there is a specific problem, for example on a single socket, then you can locate the individual breaker for that specific circuit on your consumer unit and switch that off. This will cut off power to all the devices on that circuit, but leave the other circuits unaffected. Once the danger is repaired or resolved, you can restore power by turning back on the master switch and any individual breakers. If at any point you find your power unexpectedly off, check your consumer unit. The consumer unit is designed to protect you, and if one of your circuit breakers has automatically tripped or turned off, you have had an electrical fault with that circuit. This often may be from the circuit drawing too much power or a plugged-in device failing. To identify the problem, unplug each of the devices on your tripped circuit. Then turn the breaker back on. If the breaker trips again with nothing plugged in, you have a fault which requires professional attention. If you're a leaseholder, seek help from a qualified professional. If you are a tenant, please call our customer service team on 020 8996 4200 so that we can help you rectify the problem. If the breaker stays on with no devices plugged in, then it's likely one of your previously plugged in devices had a problem. Plug in each device one by one and turn it on. If your breaker trips after a particular item is turned on, turn the device off, reset your breaker and try turning on the device again. If the device repeatedly trips your power, it's unsafe and should not be used. Replace the device or have it repaired. If when testing your devices none trip the power, you can continue to use the circuit as normal. If you find it trips again in the future, check you're not overloading your sockets with devices and then seek help. If you're a leaseholder, seek help from a qualified professional. If you're a tenant, please call our customer service team on 020 8996 4200 so that we can rectify the problem.